Hello again, fellow chefs. Today we're going to be making your basic tomato sauce to be used as a topping for pizza or for any pasta. Let's get to it. Use whole tomatoes, basil, garlic, and onion. Begin by cutting the onion hemispherically and slicing thin to half medium length onion segments. Give the garlic a rough smash and chop. Chiffonade the basil leaves by making a stack of 10, rolling into a cylinder, then slicing as shown. Open the can of whole tomatoes. Then heat up olive oil, a knob of butter, add the onions and saute for about 30 minutes on medium-low heat until caramelized. Add salt, add pepper. At the very end, add the chopped garlic, saute for a minute. Add the whole tomatoes and cut some in half with a spoon. Then puree the rest using a hand mixer. Add the basil and simmer partially covered for about an hour. Remove from the heat, let cool, then fill up any available jar. You can refrigerate up to 2 weeks or freeze for about 6 months. Enjoy!